Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish and I be Trouble. And if you are a returner, welcome back.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past. You ruined everything.
Alright, it is Friday, so we are getting shady with the Beauty Ninjas. And this is Beth's week. Her channel is Mama Vapes Beauty. There will be a playlist below of all of the other ladies. Go check them out. Beth chose gray, white, and pink. So, I was trying to figure out where I was going to get gray from because I don't have a lot of gray palettes. I've got a lot of colorful palettes and a lot of neutral palettes, but not so much grays. But I was sent this from Delancey, the Panda palette, and I decided I was going to use this. So we used Smog, Silver, Ice, and Snow. And then I needed some pinks, so I pulled out my singles. So from CxC Cosmetics, I used Bazinga. And that is a matte pink. And then for my pink shimmers, I used Land of Sweets from CxC Cosmetics. I used Talisman from Cleona Cosmetics. And Pink Panther from Glam Shop. Alright, so for the mattes, I used this Smog shade and I put it in my outer corner and ran it into the crease a little bit. And then I took this silver shade and I put it on the inner part of my crease. And then I took this Snow shade and I put it on the inner part and in the inner corner of my lid and my lower lid. And then I took this Bazinga shade from CxC and I kind of ran it on top of everything and kind of blended it out with that. So then I took this Land of Sweets shade from CxC and I put it on the outer part of my lid. I took the Talisman shade from Cleona and put it in the middle. And I took the Pink Panther shade from Glam Shop and I ran it in on the inner third of my lid. Then I took this white shimmer from the Delancey palette and I put it on my inner corner and kind of ran it down here on my lower lash. I put a little bit of the matte pink shade and a little bit of the silver shade from the Panda palette out here. To keep the theme going, I took this highlighter from Delancey and it shifts pink. It is a diamond multi-chrome highlighter in the shade 01. And I put that on my brow bone and of course on my cheek and kind of went with that. So again, I used the Panda palette and those are the shades. It's a very beautiful palette. And then this is my little made up palette. This is what I put all of my singles in when I'm making my own palette. So this is the Bazinga shade from CxC, the Land of Sweets from CxC, the Talisman from Cleona, and the Pink Panther from Glam Shop. So I also used in my waterline the LA Colors Neon Gel Eyeliner in Flash White. So this is my gray and pink and white look for Beth. I hope you like it. I hope it's what I was supposed to do, or it's enough of what I was supposed to do. All right, again, this is a collaboration. I will link the playlist in the description box below. Please go check out the other ladies. They're all very talented and they are all going to come up with their own individual looks. And I have no doubt they will all be amazing. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All that stuff is below as well. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past.